Dr. Jen Ashton joining us now with some of your COVID-19 and other medical questions. Dr. Jen, as always, thank you. And so the first question is there an estimate for when the majority of Americans will be vaccinated in 2021?
Well, Amy, according to most public health officials and epidemiologists, the hope is sometime by summer 2021, that last phase of people will be offered access to their vaccine. Remember, many of them will be two-dose regimens, so there's a time delay there in that. But if you just look at phase 1, which we are just starting right now, phase 1A, residents of long-term care facilities and healthcare workers, which is about 24 million people. Then when you go to phase 1B, that is a massive group of almost 90 million Americans, healthcare workers, essential workers that are literally food, agriculture, transportation, prisons, corrections, education, you name it. That is a huge group. And then 1C, adults over the age of 65 and any adult with a chronic medical condition. So then by the time we get to midsummer, we'll be getting kind of everyone else in there. So it's going to take a while. It's
going to be a great summer in 2021, though, right, Doc? Right. Next question here. What's the best piece of advice you, who has a degree in nutrition, can give about setting realistic diet resolutions for 2021?
I love this question. And in fact, Amy and I talk about nutrition and how we eat all the time. I tend to say you need 3 S's for a good approach to eating. A diet or approach to eating needs to be safe, it needs to be simple, and it needs to be sustainable. In 2021, I'm going to re-up a 4th S, and that will be sugar. So pay attention to that added sugar. Amy knows that. I really do believe that it is one of the most important things on that nutritional label. So 4 S's as you head into next year.
It is a game changer when you can avoid it, Jen, as you and I both know. All right, we're working on TJ, though. Third question, has anything positive come out of the COVID-19 pandemic? What have we learned about how to handle future viruses?
Wow, I think there are so many silver linings in this pandemic, and you don't even have to go far below the surface to look for them. First of all, as we prepare for the next pandemic, a greater respect for animals, agriculture, how we live with animals. A lot of pandemics originate in animals, and so the field of emerging and zoonotic infectious diseases has always gotten not enough attention, and we need to change that. Focus on supply chains in terms of pharmaceuticals will be a focus, and then resilience and how we have demonstrated that from within our healthcare system and without. And again, if you talk to infectious disease specialists, they will say it is not a matter of if there's a next pandemic, but when. And I do believe that if we pay attention to the lessons learned, we absolutely can be better prepared the next time.
All right. Well, you just got us all speechless here. Dr. Ashton, you can continue to submit your questions into the new year, as you have during this entire 2022. Dr. Ashton on her Instagram at Dr. J.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.